Hi friends, good morning all of you. Welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Friends, today we are going to continue our the second chapter revision, that is the whole numbers. Okay. So friends, in previous classes already we have discussed about that predecessor and successor, or the just after or just before the whole numbers. Okay. So but today we are going to discuss about that the sum of the two whole numbers on the number line and product of the two whole numbers on the number line, and some simplifications we will study in this video. Okay friends. So first of all, what is the number line? Already I have explained to you how to sum, and what is the product and subtraction also I have told. But today I am going to explain once again, repeat, recapitulation about this. So let us discuss about that, how we should do, how we should show the sum of the two whole numbers on the number line. Okay. So very carefully you should attempt this and observe. So students, given the questions, given 2 plus 7 on the number line. Yes, given that 2 plus 7, this what to show on the number line. Okay. So draw the first line friends, and write down here first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, like that. Here we have shown. First of all, students, observe what that given, students, not 2. So from the 0 it is a plus positive, so we have to write up to here like this. Carefully understand friends. What is that? First number, what is that? From the 0 you have to take the 2, and next number 7, that means from the 2, don't go further again 0. From the 2, whatever we have shown that indicator, from that point to 7 units, 7 points you have to take. So from here, first this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 up to 9. Observe, remember carefully. First 2, I have shown the 2. From the 2 here, because it is addition, so from the 2 go for right side, right hand side you are going. How much? The 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9. So you can write like this. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, if want to result, you can show like this also. This is 2 plus 7. This is 2. This is 7. Are you clear? Plus 7. This is also plus. Write like this one. Okay. Did you understand? Yes. Next, we will go for the product also. Here find the product of 3 and 6. Friends, it is very important also. Students, observe carefully. It is given that 3 into 6. Okay. So 3 into 6 actually 18. How much, friends? The answer is 18 already we got. And this is also we know that, friends, 9, we got that 9. But now observe, friends, 3 into 6 means how much, and we have to show on the number line also. First of all, draw that number line, friends. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 I have to, because nearly 18 is there, so above we have drawn. So first of all, try to understand this, friends. 3 into 6 means what? After I will explain here, friends. 3 into 6. Friends, that means 3 6 times added. Observe, friends. What is the meaning of this? 3 6 times added. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to also 18. Are you clear? So 3 into 6 means 3 6 times added. Okay? 3 6 times added. So we know that added, how like you are adding? So first 3 you should mention. 3 up to here. Are you clear? This is a 3. How many times? 6 times. 6 times. So this is 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count how many times you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times you have done. So result is like this. This is 3 into 6. So this is all 3. Are you clear? So multiplication is nothing but it is the repeat of addition. Okay, repeat of the addition of the numbers. Okay, if the numbers we are repeating addition, then we can write multiplication. Okay, so whatever the number this also same way, but it has given 3 into 6 means you have to understand 3 6 times added. 6 times added. Okay, so if it will give suppose 2 into 5, that means what do you do? 2 5 times added, that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have to show first 2, next 2, next 2 is like this, 5 times you have to. Are you clear? Okay students, thank you. Students, next we will go for the simplify one problem. It is very important students, carefully observe that. Students, by using the rules we can write this, by using the you can do this, but by using properties. By using properties also you can do. Students, observe here. Here this is one number, multiply with this. Same number also. Students, observe, multiply with this. Carefully, this question you should try to understand. Here what you are understanding. Now this one 256 here multiplied. Here also 256 multiplied. So this same number multiply with the two different numbers. Yes or no? So we can write also this. First we can do 256 into 55 plus, because commutative law we can change also, no problem. So 256 into 45. Are you clear students? Now do see here 256 multiply with this. Here 256 if multiply the same number, if you multiply there you should take out common line, because already you know distributive property. If with this 2 I have taken common here, what is the remain? 55 plus 45. This is students one law is there, distributive law. If A into B plus A into C, if like this is there, A is here, this is the B, this is the A, this is the C, then answer will come A bracket B plus C. This is the distributive law. Okay, so is equal to 256 into this, you should add 2. How much will come students? 100 is equal to 256 double 0. Are you clear students? It is very important. Observe very carefully. In this number, which one is common? Which one is both for multiply, that you check. If like this number it has multiplication addition is there, check which number for both for multiplying. That number you take out, other remain you should add, or if it's subtraction, that like you do. Okay? I am telling here also one general example. Suppose friends 7 into 4 plus 7 into 6. Simplify I will do. What do you do students here? Now observe here one general common you have to see this two number, this is two number multiplication is there. And this 7 is multiplied with this, 7 also multiplied with this. Here 7 take out, remain which number 2? Now 4, here 6. Bracket inside keep and addition. Okay, 7 into 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 is equal to 70. This is also distributive property. Are you clear friends? So I hope you have understand this and practice well for your exams and your unit test according which date it is there, that you should practice. If you have doubt, you can ask to me and I clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you. Wish you all the best for your unit test exam. Thank you.